Okay guys, I want to show you real quick how to assemble a stove like that from the 3D file that I started selling recently, that I hope you bought. So yeah, you'll be able to assemble a stove that has several racks inside. I mean, you can print 25 if you want. And that has a drawer that fits those racks, or the tray that's also included. So anyways, that is what you are going to have in the kit when you print everything. This is printed in filament. I assume it would print well in resin as well, but I didn't try. So you're gonna get the stove body. You're gonna have the insert. I don't know if you guys can see, but the distance between the edge of the insert and the rail is different. So the one where the distance is bigger, that's the piece that's gonna go on the bottom, like so. It fits. Just gonna have to squeeze it a little bit and glue. You're gonna need magnets for the body and the door of the fridge. I use 2x1mm magnets. And then you're gonna have a bunch of burners that are gonna fit in here. Well, not a bunch, actually, I'm gonna have 6. So yeah, they are gonna fit in here like so. I use Gorilla Glue for all of that, so it's kind of like holds the buildings together and the stoves together, and everything. Yeah. Also, you're gonna have a rack that has this opening here, and this opening goes in here. You're gonna have to push a little bit, and it's gonna fit right in. I mean, obviously, you're gonna have to add some glue on edges. You are going to have knobs, obviously separately from the stove. You can paint them whichever color you want. So, for example, in this stove I painted them red. In the white one I painted them gold-ish. So yeah, you can do it however you want. Basically, you paint them and then you glue them here. Let's imagine I'm gluing them. Then you're gonna have a tray that you can put, I mean, on whichever railing actually, and you can print as many of those as you want. You're gonna have 2 options of drawers. One will be with pre-attached handle, so that you can print it as a single piece, like here. And the other is going to, and the same for the door. For the other, the handle is gonna be separately, so that you can paint it. So if you decide to paint it, you basically have the drawer and you can glue the handle over here. And as for the door, you're gonna have 2 pieces of the door. With the front piece, that's gonna be either like that or with the pre-attached handle, if you print it in the same color, and the back piece of the door. So you're gonna attach it like that. See, it's not like not even width. So the wider part is gonna go on top like that. And between those 2 panels, you can glue the plastic film. I listed in the description the film that I use to imitate the glass. I think it's 12-6 ml, whatever that is, but it should be in the description. So you're gonna glue those 2 pieces together with the film between them, and you're gonna need the magnets so that the door, like, you know, stays in place when you hold it. The door and the body both already have the holes, and you're gonna need 24 gauge, I'm not sure, wire, 24. The link is also listed in the description, so that you're gonna squeeze it through the hole in the body and straight in the door. You might have to drill a little bit inside this hole to make sure there is no filament stuck inside. So yeah, and after that you can just push this through. Just make sure you push it in the right place. And that's how you attach the door.